Face shields protect medical workers in the front lines. They are risking their lives to save the lives of others, and they must be protected. Face shields are generally used in conjunction with N95 masks to increase protection and safety of medical staff. Medical institutions in Kosovo estimate that the demand for face shields is 10,000 units.
To respond to this demand, BONEVET has transformed its educational spaces into a manufacturing setup. In the last 2 weeks, BONEVET has manufactured 1,000 face shields with 26 existing 3D printers. If we had more 3D printers and filaments, we could manufacture much more. We have space and workforce.
It is expected that the peak of infections in Kosovo will happen in 3 to 4 weeks, and the flattening in the next 4 to 6 weeks. With the existing production capacity of 700 shields per week, it will take us 16 weeks to manufacture 10,000 face shields. If we double the manufacturing capacity, however, we can manufacture 10,000 face shields in less than 8 weeks. In order to reach this goal, we need 43 new 3D printers and 500 kilograms of filaments.
Dear donors and backers, our foundation, UNEDU Kosovan, is inviting you to join forces with us and raise funds to protect our medical workers from the deadly coronavirus disease. Thank you.